भाई, तो you definitely needed this positive video, right? You definitely needed that. Believe me when I say it. भाई, जो तू ट्रिप पे जाके आई है तू मेरे को खुद बता, तूने कितना कुछ सीखा भाई साहब, तूने कितना कुछ सीखा। मतलब मतलब ट्रिप पे जाने से पहले तेरी दो सबसे बड़ी इनसिक्योरिटीज थी कि पहली, कि तू अकेली रह जाएगी, तेरे को कोई पूछता नहीं है या कुछ भी है ना, कि तू अकेली रह जाएगी। और दूसरी क्या थी? मैं भूल गई दूसरी क्या थी। अब दो चीजें थी ना। पहली की लोग मेरे को भूल जाएंगे, और दूसरी व्हाट वाज इट? वेल, द सेकंड वन वाज कि if I'm not someone's priority, then maybe I'm not important for them, which is absolutely very much wrong. क्योंकि भाई, I was on the trip, and the way I was treating everyone nicely, right? So that means कि वो मेरी रिफ्लेक्शन है कि I am a good person and I treat everyone nicely. अगर प्रिंस होता मैं तो भी उसको वैसे ही ट्रीट करती जैसे मैं युगांश को ट्रीट कर रही थी, राइट? अगर दीपाली है तो मैं उसको वैसे ही ट्रीट कर रही थी जैसे मैं भव्या को ट्रीट करती। Of course they have different places. Of course they're not very close to me, right? But that doesn't mean I won't treat them right. Just because मैं उनसे पहली बार मिली, है ना? So that doesn't mean कि they deserve my rudeness or something. I was good to them because I am a good person. And they didn't have to be a priority for me to be treated that way. Do you get that? They didn't have to be above someone for me to be treated right from me. I don't know if I'm making sense, but just because I'm treating everyone nicely does not mean that everyone is at the same par, same level for me. I treat them nicely because I treat them nicely. I am a good person, right? So I treat them nicely. So that is when I need to understand कि भाई, अगर सामने वाला इंसान भी हर किसी को प्यार से ट्रीट करता है, दैट डज नॉट मीन कि उसके लिए हर कोई एक लेवल पे है। डू यू गेट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? जस्ट बिकॉज मैं युगांश और प्रिंस को एक जैसे ट्रीट कर रही थी, दैट डज नॉट मीन कि युगांश मेरा असली भाई है, या मतलब वट एवर। आई वॉजन गोइंग टू बी विद हिम टू दैट ट्रिप, एंड आई नो दैट, राइट? बट still, obviously I will treat him like he's my younger brother, and obviously, right? So just because someone else is treating you like he's treating everyone else does not mean कि you mean anything less to them. Okay, you get that? उस दिन when he was treating everyone nicely, so you thought कि you might not be important to him. No, that is not how is it. Okay, how it is. That is not how it is. People treat everyone nicely. People do treat everyone with kindness. And okay, tell me, क्या तू भी चाहती है कि तेरा सिर्फ एक ही बंदे के साथ बॉन्ड हो? नहीं ना। इवन आई ऑल्सो वांट कि भाई मेरी सबके साथ बने, मेरी सबके साथ अच्छी रहे, और मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त हो और मैं सबके प्यार से बात करूं, राइट? यस, ऑफ कोर्स। तो व्हाई वुड एनीवन एल्स वांट दैट? यू टेल मी, व्हाई वुड एनीवन एल्स वांट दैट? इफ आई वांट कि भाई मेरी तो इस फ्रेंड ग्रुप से भी बहुत अच्छी बनती है, मेरे तो ये भी दोस्त हैं, और मेरी तो उनसे भी बहुत अच्छी बनती है, मेरे तो सीनियर से भी बहुत अच्छी बनती है, so that makes you a social person. That does not mean that everyone is at the same level for you. That never meant that, right? Of course you will treat them nicely. So, talking about the second thing, कि मैं अकेली रह गई थी या मेरे को किसी ने पूछा नहीं है, मेरे को अकेला अकेला सा लग रहा था बहुत ज्यादा। मैडम जी, तू अकेली थी, ठीक है? तू क्यों किसी का वेट कर रही है? कौन है तेरे लिए आने वाला? तू बता मेरे को। पहले कभी कोई आया? तो तू क्यों इतना वल्नरेबल हो गई थी लोगों के लिए? Why were you waiting for anyone? You don't have to wait. Fuck, idiot. You didn't have to wait. You didn't have to wall out any expectations, na? You just have to enjoy. You didn't have to set some expectations for anyone, did you? You didn't have to do that, right? Hmm. अभी what's अकेला अकेला लग रहा है, बिल्कुल ऐसा खाली खाली लग रहा है, कोई गोल नहीं है, मैं ओ नहीं। क्या मन कर ली उठ के? बंद कर दे इंस्टाग्राम, छोड़ दे सब कुछ, कुछ नहीं रखा इन लोग में, कुछ नहीं रखा और कोई नहीं आने वाला तेरे को बचाने, ठीक है? काम तो तेरे को देख करना ही पड़ेगा, निकलना तो पड़ेगा ही यहाँ से। You can't be here for anything. And you need to start working. You need to learn. You learn on the way, okay? यहाँ से निकलना पड़ेगा तेरे को। You know that. You know that. So, क्या चल रहा है तेरे दिमाग में भाई? क्या चल रहा है? हैं? कर ले कुछ? Dude, these were the two things you were so into before going to the trip, and the trip made you realize that both of the things, right? Made you realize both of the things, right? So you need to. You already did work on it. Why are you not thinking on it? तू अकेली रह जाएगी, who the fuck cares, bro? Who's going to care about that? No one. And it's okay. Move on. You got me. You got yourself, right? You did, right? You have, right? You will, right? Then why are you so scared? क्यों लगा रखे तूने इतने भगवान जी के पोस्टर्स? क्यों इतना तू वो हो रही है? विश्वास नहीं है उन पे? नहीं है? है ना? तो कब कर ली? छोड़ दे ये सब. But you need to work, okay? तेरे को दो थिंग्स थी. तू अकेली रह जाएगी और तू सबके जितनी रह जाएगी, एवरेज रह जाएगी. And I overcome both of them, right? So let's leave where it was. Leave it where it was. Leave the chapter. You're not gonna think about it again. And it wasn't as bad, okay? जितना तो उसको पुराने को बुरा समझ रही है, उतना बुरा था नहीं वो. You learned from it and it was okay. Okay. So till January you were in the mindset कि भाई we won't indulge in anything, right? And you weren't. And that's why you were good. But since then, you were letting your feelings out. You were getting yourself in situations you were uncomfortable in, and that's okay. And that's why you were uncomfortable, right? And that's why you learned, right? And it's okay, it's not that as bad. It's not as that bad. And it's okay. Everyone's got a bad story. Everyone's got a bad story. हर किसी की लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ बुरा हुआ ही है. तू अकेली नहीं है, ठीक है? तो वर्क इट आउट, ओके? You know you can do it. Of course you can. Who cares? You do. Work it out. Well, you worked out the both of the biggest insecurities you had, right? Of course, right? So now, in the conclusion, you are not afraid to be alone. You are not afraid to be alone. I am not afraid to be alone. I don't care. I'm going to study. I will study. Okay? The second thing, I don't care if anyone treats anyone like that or anyone like anything. You got something special, bro. You got everything you wanted. तेरे को क्या नहीं मिला जो तेरे को चाहिए था? You tell me. You got every person, you got everything, you got everything you dreamt of. You manifested every damn thing, right? Why are you so scared? Look at you, you're so beautiful, bro. You dance well, तो इतनी सुंदर है, तू बहुत अच्छी है. As a person भी और as a talent भी. You don't have to care about that shit. You do not have to compare yourself. Literally. You're too good to compare yourself with anyone. I don't care if you get it or not. तेरे को insecurity क्यों feel हो रही है? You are beautiful as you are. As you are भी नहीं. You are very beautiful, bro. बहुत सुंदर हो तुम. तो खुद को देख ले. देख ले. हाँ. कैसे देखना है तेरे को? कितनी सुंदर लग रही है तू. एटलीस्ट मेरे को तो लग रही. ठीक है. लेट्स मूव ऑन. हम्म. बस. कुछ नहीं हुआ है. सब ठीक हो जाएगा. ओके.